Earth is our home. It is a planet full of life. Earth is very, very old. Scientists believe it is 4.5 billion years old. That's older than the oldest dinosaur. Our planet is always moving. It spins around like a top. It spins incredibly fast, too, at a speed of 1,000 miles per hour. Can you believe it? This spinning is what gives us day and night. Earth doesn't just spin, it also travels around the sun. This journey takes a whole year to complete. As Earth orbits the sun, we experience different seasons. We have spring, summer, autumn, and winter because of this incredible journey. Earth has a friend in space called the Moon. The Moon is much smaller than Earth, about a quarter of its size. The Moon is our closest neighbor in space. It is held in place by Earth's gravity, so it always travels with us around the sun. Many people think Earth is a perfect sphere, like a ball, but this is not quite true. Our planet is actually a bit squashed at the top and bottom and thicker in the middle. We call this shape an oblate spheroid. It's a funny word, but it describes our planet perfectly. Earth is home to many amazing things. Have you ever seen a coral reef? They are huge underwater structures made by tiny animals called corals. Coral reefs are so large that we can see them from space. Deep inside Earth, things are very different. The outer part of Earth's core is made of hot, molten rock. It's like a giant sea of fire. But the very center of Earth, the inner core, is solid. It's made of iron and nickel, and it's under immense pressure. At the bottom of our planet lies a vast sheet of ice called the Antarctic Ice Sheet. It's incredibly big and holds most of the world's fresh water. Imagine that. All the frozen water could fill up lakes and rivers many times over. Did you know that the Moon is slowly moving away from us? It's true. Each year the Moon drifts about 3.8 centimeters further away. Don't worry though, it will take billions of years for the Moon to leave us completely. Earth is home to many extreme places. One of them is the Atacama Desert in Chile. It is the driest place on our planet. Some parts of this desert have never seen a single drop of rain. Can you imagine living in a place like that? Earth also has a magnetic field, like an invisible shield protecting us from harmful radiation from the sun. Interestingly, the magnetic poles of Earth are not fixed. They are constantly on the move. In fact, the North Magnetic Pole is currently drifting westward. Section 4, a view from above. Astronauts who have seen Earth from space often describe a profound experience. They call it the overview effect. From space, our planet looks small and fragile, a blue ball surrounded by the darkness of space. The astronauts tell us that seeing Earth from afar changes their perspective. They realize that our planet is precious and that we are all connected. They see that there are no borders dividing countries from space, just one planet that we all share. This experience often makes astronauts more passionate about protecting our planet. They see the impact of pollution and deforestation from space and return to Earth with a renewed sense of responsibility. Section 5. Our duty to Earth. Earth is bursting with life. From lush rainforests to vast oceans, our planet is home to an incredible variety of plants and animals. We call this biodiversity, and it is one of the things that makes Earth so special. We have towering mountains like Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth, and deep canyons like the Grand Canyon, carved by rivers over millions of years. The Northern Lights, a spectacular display of colorful lights in the night sky, remind us of the powerful forces at work on our planet. But Earth is changing. We're polluting our air and water, cutting down our forests and causing our climate to change. All of this is harming our planet and the incredible life it supports. We need to act now to protect our planet. We need to reduce our impact on the environment, conserve our natural resources, and find ways to live more sustainably. The future of Earth is in our hands. Let's work together to ensure that our planet remains a beautiful and thriving home for generations to come.